In this video, we will review a recent study that measured early introduction of peanut products amongst U.S. families. We found that less than 50% of parents are following the early introduction guidelines to introduce peanut products, with the biggest barrier being fear of reactions. Additionally, racial and SES disparities exist. Food allergies impact roughly 1 in 13 children in the U.S., imposing substantial psychosocial and economic burden on families. In 2015, the LEAP study found that peanut allergy development could be prevented in high-risk infants if they ate peanut-containing foods early and often in their diet. In response to this study, the NIAID developed the 2017 Prevention of Peanut Allergy Guidelines. Per these guidelines, high-risk infants, those with severe eczema and/or egg allergy, should first have a peanut-specific IgE ordered by their pediatrician or be referred to an allergist. If the testing is negative, these infants should be introduced peanut products as early as 4 months of age. For all other infants, low risk, no eczema or egg allergy, the guidelines recommending introducing peanut products early, around 6 months of age. The guidelines have the potential to prevent peanut allergy, but are families aware of them? How many are doing it and why? These are the questions our team at the Center for Food Allergy and Asthma Research set out to answer. We administered a national survey of 3,000 U.S. caregivers of children between the ages of 7 months and 3.5 years of age. Our sample was also representative of the U.S. population. We found that only 13% of U.S. caregivers reported awareness of the guidelines. However, 48% believed introducing peanuts early can prevent peanut allergy. Additionally, 50% of caregivers believed early introduction of other foods, such as milk and egg, could also decrease the risk of food allergy development. When it came to introducing peanut products, only 17% of caregivers reported introducing peanut products as recommended before 7 months of age, and 42% reported introducing peanut products between 7 and 12 months of age. Caregivers who were aware of the guidelines or had a child with eczema were more likely to feed peanut products early. Low-income and racial and ethnic minority groups were less likely to be aware of the guidelines and less likely to practice early peanut introduction. Caregivers were also 16 times more likely to introduce peanut products early in their child's diet if it was recommended by their pediatrician. 1 in 3 caregivers avoided giving their infant peanut products before 7 months because of the fear of their child having a reaction. However, of all caregivers who did feed peanut products, only 1% reported a reaction. Overall, our study found that early peanut feeding practices are gaining traction amongst U.S. caregivers. However, still less than 50% are introducing peanut products before 1 year of age. Continuing to increase awareness, especially in underserved communities, improving interventions for pediatricians to recommend peanut product introduction, and addressing the fears are critical next steps in preventing peanut allergy.